Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to clear cache in WhatsApp on iPhone. Please watch this video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on iPhone or iPad. That is absolutely on any iOS device. Further here, we have chats, contacts, calls. We press settings. Further, we open storage and data. Manage storage. And this is where the cache appears at the top. I have 66 MB. Maybe you will have a gigabyte or two for someone more. If you have never cleared, you will have a lot of cache. If you want to clear, you will need to have chats here. Whoever has the most cache, that's where you go. I've got Alex. And in order to clear it, we have to select some stuff, click delete, and delete. After that, we exit. As you can see, I've already deleted the cache. You also go to all the contacts you have, delete photos, videos, some files, and you will clear the cache in WhatsApp on your iPhone. This is such a simple way that you can apply and really do. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. See you later. Goodbye.